So, good morning everyone. Today we are in Monsumano Terme and we are going to see a restored farm, a country house. Um, Everything has been restored in the last 5 years. Every year they did something new. They changed almost everything, all plumbings and bathrooms and kitchens, and they repainted the house last year, so everything is quite new. We are up in a hill in a quite panoramic spot where we can see Monte Catini Terme from the house, which is reachable in about 10 minutes by car with an entire paved road. So the music you can listen is um, a wire music all along the garden. The house is 140 square meter with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and we are going inside from the living. So this part of the house is quite new. It was not here. They built this from scratch. Wonderful windows, very traditional. They decided to call the ancient style of a barn. Okay, so this is the living room with a nice fireplace and a nice view on the garden and on a nice olive tree. From here we go to the kitchen, very big kitchen with electric kitchen. Heating system, electricity, private well for water, everything is functioning as they are rented the house for the season, earning about 17,000 per year. This is the first bedroom on the ground floor. Tuscany beams in the ceilings with its bathroom here with shower and window and hello. Okay, let's go on. From the kitchen we go upstairs where there are 2 more bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. Very nice wood stair. Okay. First floor, 2 bedroom. First one here. All bedrooms are double bedrooms. And they are all almost the same size. Shower, okay, and the last bedroom here. Okay, with bathroom, with shower. Okay. Now we can go outside where there are 1 hectare and 1.8 hectares of land with olive trees and gardens and the swimming pool. Very nice, relaxed area here with barbecue and pizza oven. Okay. Okay, so from here there are these stairs to reach the swimming pool area and the playground. So nice swimming pool here with sun chairs for everyone and view on Monte Catini. And here other part of the garden and playground for the kids. And that's it.